Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out new Colourpop makeup. So this is the Making Mauves collection. So if you want to hear a little bit about the collection and how I got this eye look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the Making Mauves collection. I love these colors. Next up, we have the Merci Bouquet, which are these two Super Shock shadows in here. So we have Day Tripping and Bloomer. So Day Tripping is the light color, and Bloomin' is the plum. Next up, we have two blushes. So we have Coast to Coast, which is more of a plum shade. Then we have Catch My Vibe, which is a really pretty pink, matches my background. Then we have two Luxe glosses. So we have Figgy with it and Check In. I really like Check In. And they smell like vanilla. It's like that really good vanilla too, like that like cupcake icing vanilla. Going in with the Making Mauves palette, I'm going in with Solitaire, which is this top center shade. Just gonna take this right into my crease. Definitely has great color payoff. Then I'm going into that shade Marquis, which is down here. But it's like a nice, like cool toned purple. And I'm just deepening up this crease a little bit. Oh, I just love Colourpop's eyeshadows. They always do such a good job. Well, except for the Sailor Moon ones. I didn't like those, but maybe it's just because they were pastel, but other people like them, so I don't know. Maybe that was just me. Alright guys, I like never do this, but I'm gonna put some concealer on my lid to clean it up before I do my lid shade. So I'm mainly just doing this on the inner half, because I think I'm gonna darken up the outer half. On my lid, I'm going in with A La Mode, which is the center shade in the palette. Let me try using my finger, see if I can get some more pigment. After seeing this on my lid, I kind of wish that I would have coated my entire eyelid with that dark purple color and then topped this off, because I feel like that would have just looked really cool. Right, now I'm going in with that dark plum on the outer corner. I think I'm gonna slant it towards the eye a little bit. I feel like this is looking like a mess. Ugh, it's my fault. I just never plan out these looks. I always wind up getting in a fucking bad mood about it too. Right, and I'm just taking that dark purple underneath my eye as well, just on the outer corner. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side real quick. Alright guys, the other side is done. Now I'm just going back in with that purple and just deepening this up right by the lash line. Alright, for blush, I'm gonna go in with Coast to Coast, which is more of a plum shade. Just putting this on the apples of my cheeks. I just love plum colors for my skin tone. It just looks so good. Alright, and I'm going back in and putting another layer of that Check In lip gloss. It's a Luxe lip gloss. I just love this shade. Let me try topping it off with the other one. So this was Figgy with it. Ooh, I really like that. And these are super, super glossy. It's like high shine, just like they say. It's like that glassy lip. The only annoying thing about these is that they don't, like they close really weird. Like you have to like get it in there, you know? I'm gonna do my eyeliner and lashes off camera and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really like this eyeshadow look. I kind of got caught up halfway through and was like, should I just take all this off? I was just getting in a bad mood about it. But I really need to start branching out with my colors that I choose, the color choices, and deepening things up is like something that's out of my comfort zone. So I'm glad that I stuck with it because I really like this. I think it looks nice and I like how, I'm gonna sound like an idiot right now, the slantedness of the eye. But I think it looks more almost like bedroom eye-esque. I don't know, a little flirty, I like it. And I do like these mauve shades, these are really nice. I would say that the middle guy here, that metallic, the Super Shock, is more of like a thin coverage. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I mean, it's just better to have a solid color underneath of that one. It's more of a topper shade, I guess is what I would say. But these two are definitely full coverage. And yeah, mainly for this palette, I feel like I would just be doing more of a neutral eye and just keep it one-toned. So I would probably go in with either Tongue-Tied, or I would stick with the Solstice that we used in my crease. I love those shades. This is also pretty inexpensive. This is only $14. I think it's really nice, especially if you like these kind of colors. I would say that Check-In is more of like a sheer. I mean, I feel like that's pretty standard for a gloss. Most gloss aren't like super pigmented, but I would say that I definitely really recommend Figgy with it. Oh, and these are $8 by the way, each. Not bad at all. And this will last you forever. Like, I love how chunky they are. And the blushes, I definitely recommend both of these. I really like the colors. Both of these colors will suit just about anyone. If you're more of like a fair skin, I think you would really love this one. This is the Catch My Vibe. And if you're more of like a medium or darker complexion, you'll definitely like Coast to Coast. And yeah, that's my final review. Let me know what you guys think of these products in the comments down below. Is there anything that you're gonna purchase from the collection? Let me know if there are any other videos that you would like to see from me. Like I've been saying in other videos, I've been filming like crazy. This is my third video today, and I just noticed now that I forgot to change my shirt in each one, so there's that. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.